Hey, what's going on everybody? My name is Mike and welcome back to AXC Garage. And today we have a 2021 Honda Civic Type-R limited edition in the shop. And let's go to the bench and get with Brian and see what we got.
So we have this Mugen lip kit here that comes in blue, and we're gonna take care of it and turn it back into the right Phoenix yellow color. It's not gonna be a problem for us. All we're gonna do is sand it down. We'll put down a sealer coat and then some beautiful yellow paint clear coat and get it back on the car. Now this is gonna fit right onto the actual bumper and lip itself, so it shouldn't be a problem. And the same thing with our side skirts. We'll go ahead and scuff them down and refinish them in that beautiful Phoenix yellow. So a little knowledge about this color. Now this is not actually the original color code that we know as Y56 Phoenix yellow as we see on the Integra. Now this is Y82. Now in some regions it's called New Sunlight yellow. Now there's a little bit difference in the paint on this newer color. It's a little bit lighter, a touch more pale. You wouldn't be able to tell unless the two colors were together. So Y82 is what we're gonna mix up, and that's the color that's going on the car. All right, so we got the parts all ready to go. It's gonna be a simple one. We're gonna scuff them down, and then we're gonna go ahead and bring them into the booth. We'll seal them, paint them, and we'll get them back onto the car. So let's get rolling. And since we got that sealer all down, this is gonna be your color, New Sunlight yellow. You can see what goes into it. And that's our color right there. Let's head into the booth right now. We got our color all laid down. We're ready to spray some clear coat. So let's get rolling.
All right, so we just got the side skirt and back from the paint shop. Brian, as always, did an amazing job on it.
Yeah, you know, they came out really good, and what you saw in the video is with the sealer, yellow does not cover well. We did about 4 coats of yellow sealer and then 3 coats of this color code white 82. We got it all covered. It matches the actual chassis of the car really, really well, so that's what we're proud of. So I think we're ready to start assembling.
All right, so the first thing we're gonna do is go ahead and remove the wheels.
All right, so just finishing with the weather stripping and we're good to go.
So Brian is just pulling back the double-sided tape. I think we're ready to put on the lip.
Okay, so we're ready to pull our tape. We put our plastic primer or our adhesion promoter underneath on the lip, and we're just gently gonna pull it off. All right. And we'll work it back and forth. And we have a great, awesome bond.
All right, so we got 2 more clips on the bottom and we're all done.
That's what I do.
All right, so the front lip is all done. Let's go ahead and move on to the side skirt. Now, side skirt should go directly onto the OEM side skirt, just stick right on here. But now the owner of the car, William, has some sort of aftermarket mud flap right over here. So let's go ahead and remove it.
So we have our adhesion promoter pad, and we'll put it on the back side like we always do, just to create that bite between the surface and the actual double-sided tape itself. And we can take that same pad, and we got double-sided tape on the inside of the side skirt, so we'll go about halfway where the tape's gonna meet up on the actual rocker panel, and this will help with the adhesion as well. So we're gonna go ahead and put the passenger side skirt on. So we're gonna go ahead and assemble the side skirt back with the mud flap that came with the car. Just a clip on the top and 3 screws.
Hey Brian, this Mugen kit fit really well in the FK8.
Yeah, you know, it really sets it apart. It's a very subtle kit. And what I like about it is it just bolts right on top of the existing carbon fiber lip right there. So really cool and easy to install.
If you guys like what you see, you guys want to make sure you hit the like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends and family.
Yeah, so I mean, this was an awesome project. I've never done a Phoenix Yellow. I think you said it's one of 600.
One of 600, limited edition.
Just great opportunity just to work on something like this.
And it looks really well.
It looks good. It looks good. I hope in the future we have something just as cool as this.
As always, thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you guys on the next one.
See you guys.